Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 8 nutritious food one should have in this winter season. The first food is jaggery. Gur is well known for its delicious flavor which is mostly enjoyed in the winter. It also helps with blood purification, digestion and body warmth. The second food is saffron. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world for a reason. It prevents free radical damage to your skin and keep your body warm. So start using saffron in your milk. The third food is ghee. Ghee is staple in every Indian kitchen. It enhances the flavor and nutritional value of any dish, gives help with digestion, lubricates the joints beautifully and is a great source of vitamins. The fourth food is pistachios. These nuts have high amount of nutrients and antioxidants which help to lower blood sugar, support a healthy gut and strengthen the heart. The fifth food is ginger. Everyone is aware of the wonderful properties of ginger, which is frequently added to tea and other winter-time meals. Ginger lowers cholesterol, fights infection, relieves indigestion, and is good for the heart. The sixth food is peanuts. In the winter, roasted peanuts are a great option because they keep your body warm and your heart healthy. The seventh food is mustard seeds. Munching on mustard seeds in this winter time is a great way to stay warm. You can sprinkle these seeds on the dishes and add them to salads and more. And the last food is dates. Being rich in nutrients, iron, magnesium, copper and other elements, this snack is among the healthiest one to include in your diet during winter. So friends, please include these healthy foods into your diet this winter. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching.